Good afternoon, students. Today we study lecture 6 organic chemistry heterocyclic compound. So we study about furan today. Molecular orbital picture of furan. So here we will see how structure of furan is there. It is a 5-membered heterocyclic compound with 4 carbons and 1 oxygen and 4 hydrogens. So in molecular orbital diagram of furan we can see that there are here you are seeing sp2 hybridization is taking place, and so we know sp2 there are 3 hybrid orbitals, and the one is 2pz unhybridized orbital is there. So here we are seeing the diagram, the unhybridized pz orbital is there, each is having 1 electron each, and on oxygen there are 2 electrons. So as atomic number of oxygen is 8, there are 6 electrons in outermost orbit. So the 2 are there which are binding with sp2 hybrid orbitals of carbon, and 4 are there. So here we are having 6 valency electrons. In the next diagram we will see these electrons are in p orbital. So here these electrons in sp2 hybrid orbitals, it is shown there. Both are the same diagrams. So here we are seeing the next, we will see first of all what is sp2 hybridization, and then you will understand better. Distribution of electrons in sp2 hybridization. Electronic configuration of carbon is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz. So here we are seeing one of the 2s electrons are going in 2px orbital, and so electronic configuration become 1s2, 2s1, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. When sp2 hybridization is taking place, 1 2s orbital and 2 2p orbitals mix, and their 3 hybrid orbitals are formed. So here in the next diagram we are seeing in 2s 1 electron, 2px 1 electron, 2py 1 electron. So these are forming, all are there, and it is forming sp2 hybridization is taking place, which are in hybrid orbitals are formed, which are green in color, and red color is 2pz unhybridized orbital. So three hybrid orbitals are there, and 1 unhybridized pz orbital is there, which is red in color, and green color are 3 hybrid orbitals are formed because sp2 hybridization is taking place. So here we are seeing formation of sigma bond and pi bond in sp2 hybridization. See, you are seeing blue color, you are seeing there sp2 overlap, in the middle you see sp2 overlap and sigma bond is formed, and pz orbital you are seeing which is there in blue color, and here sp2 hybrid orbital is there. Actually there are 3 sp2 hybrid orbitals. On the left side you are seeing 2 sp2 hybrid orbitals, and on one hybrid orbital is overlapping with another hybrid orbital of carbon. So here also in the right side you are seeing carbon is there. There are 3 hybrid orbitals, sp2 we are seeing on the right side, and one sp2 is overlapping with the other sp2 hybrid orbital of carbon. And we are seeing yellow color, pi bond is formed by 2pz overlap, that is pi bond is formed. So one pi bond and one sigma bond is formed, so double bond is formed in between carbon and carbon. So this type of hybridization is there in furan molecule. See, here seeing delocalization of 6 electrons in furan molecule. A aromatic sextet is formed. You are seeing 4 in the 4 2pz orbital, 1 electron is there, and in oxygen you are seeing there are 2 electrons are there in 2pz orbital. Here all both carbon and oxygen are sp2 hybridized, and one lone pair is there in sp2 hybrid orbital. So delocalization of 6 electrons are taking place, and aromatic sextet, we call it as aromatic sextet is there because it is showing aromatic sextet is there, it is aromatic in character. So here you are seeing furan is 5-membered heterocyclic compound with molecular formula C4H4. Also you are seeing 4 carbons are there, 4 hydrogens are there, and 1 oxygen is there. Here the heteroatom in furan is oxygen. It is sp2 hybridized. Furan molecule is sp2 hybridized, that is all the 4 carbons and oxygen are sp2 hybridized. 3 carbon-carbon sigma bonds are formed by sp2 overlap, and 2 C bond O, sigma bonds are formed by sp2 overlaps. Carbon and oxygen, 2 carbon and oxygen are formed by the overlap of sp2 overlap. 4 carbon hydrogen sigma bonds are formed by sp2s overlap, that is carbon and hydrogen bonds are by the overlap of sp2s. Furan is aromatic due to delocalization of aromatic sextet of electrons. In the below above diagram you have seen how the aromatic sextet of electrons are there. Here also you can see there are 6 electrons are there, and they are all forming delocalization of 6 pi electrons is there, and so it is aromatic sextet. 4 carbon pi electrons and 2 unshared electrons donated by oxygen. So due to this the aromatic sextet of electrons in form. The stabilization of pyrrole is 16 kilocalorie per mole, and furan molecule is planar because it is sp2 hybridized. It is a planar molecule. These are the resonance structures of furan. You are seeing there are 5 resonance structures of furan. You have seen the red arrow is showing how the electrons are shifting. So in the first diagram you are seeing the electrons from on the oxygen are shifting on the right side, and bond is formed, and one of the bond is shifting and their negative charge is formed. In the second diagram you are seeing the negative charge is again shifting to the bond, and here a double bond is formed, and one of the on the left side the arrow is shifting and their negative charge is formed. And again in the third diagram you are seeing the negative charge is again coming and forming the bond between carbon and oxygen, and here the bond between carbon and oxygen is shifting, and in the 2 position negative charge is formed. And again in the fourth diagram you are seeing the negative charge again is shifting on the carbon bond, and another the bond is shifting and negative charge is formed in the 3 position. So these are the resonance structures of furan. You are seeing that the negative charge is there on the position 2, 2, 4. So you are seeing negative charges in position 2, 4, and so you are seeing these are the negative charges that are there, and here attack is taking place. Aromaticity in furan. The hybridized orbital of carbon and oxygen atom are involved in axial overlap forming sigma bond. You know that hybridized orbital of carbon and oxygen. You are seeing hybridized orbital, pink and green, blue colors are there. You are seeing that they are the hybridized orbital of carbon and oxygen are involved in axial forming sigma bonds are there. So these bonds between these 2 pz orbitals, these are all 5 sigma bonds are formed, and these sigma bonds are formed by the overlap of carbon and carbon oxygen bond. Each unhybridized orbital of carbon atom has 1 electron. So all the carbon atoms are having pz orbitals are having a single electron, and oxygen has a pair of electrons. You are seeing oxygen has a pair of electrons. 2 electrons are there. The sidewise overlap of the unhybridized orbitals result in delocalization pi electron cloud, which account for the aromatic character of furan. So this sidewise overlap is there. Before you have seen how the sidewise overlap is there. The unhybridized orbital 2pz unhybridized orbital is there, and so delocalized pi electron cloud is formed, and so aromatic character of furan is seen. Stabilization of pyrrole is 16 kilocalorie per mole.